Hello, I'm Emily Lookoff. I'm here with Glee, and today we'll be going over Activity 1, LunaSat as a transmitter for Remote Module 9 RF communication. In summary, teams will send a text message from one LunaSat to another LunaSat. The materials and code needed. For this activity you will need 2 LunaSats, 2 FTDI chips and a set of jumper cables and wires, a computer, sticky flags, and the Activity 9.1 worksheet, LunaSat as a transmitter to follow along in. The code you will need for this are the sketches RF transmit text and RF receive. These will be located under File, Examples, Glee 2023, Module Sketches, Module 9 RF. Step 1. LunaSat Hookup. Hook up both LunaSats to the FTDIs. Leave both USBs disconnected from the computer. Refer to Module 0 to review the hookup procedure if needed. Step 2. Open and modify the sketch. Open LunaSat RF transmit text. Will be under File, Examples, Glee 2023, Module Sketches, Module 9 RF Transmit Text. On line 7, enter the last 2 digits of your team's ID. Note that entering more than 2 digits for your team's ID will not work. Enter it in the string. You might also change the message on line 20 if you would like. Step 3. Mark the transmitting LunaSat and upload the code. Plug the transmitting LunaSat's USB into the computer and select its port. In this case, the port is under Tools, Port, COM4. With a sticky flag, write the following and place it on the LunaSat capacitance sensor. Write T for transmitter and the COM port you selected. So in this case, it would be right here. Upload RF transmit text sketch. You would verify and upload. And wait for it to upload. This LunaSat will be the transmitter for the rest of the module. It will blink its blue LED when transmitting. Step 4. Open the serial monitor for transmitting LunaSat. Launch the serial monitor and confirm that the following image on your module slides is displayed. So here you can see the transmission is a success. Step 5. Open the receive sketch. First, unplug your transmitting LunaSat. Then open the LunaSat RF receive sketch without closing the transmit sketch. Here you would go File, Examples, Glee 2023, Module Sketches, Module 9 RF receive. Next, edit your receive sketch and upload. On line 7, edit your ID to match your team's number. Make sure the ID is the same for both sketches. If it's not, the receiver LunaSat will not receive the message from the transmitter. You will only receive a received packet if the IDs match. Step 6. Mark the receiver and upload receive code. With a sticky flag, write the following and place it on the LunaSat capacitance sensor. Write R for receiver and the COM port selected to upload the code. In this case, it will be COM5. This LunaSat will receive for the remainder of the module. Upload the RF receive sketch to the receiving LunaSat. Now wait for it to upload. The receiver's LED will blink when it receives data. Launch the serial monitor for the receiving LunaSat. Plug in the transmitting LunaSat. Launch the serial monitor. Confirm that the message sent from the transmitting LunaSat is printed. In the serial monitor, you will see data received, and you will see the message. If you see transmission data, switch your port to the receiving port you noted on the sticky flag. Seeing received failed every so often is normal. The receiver looks for data more often than the transmitter sends it, so it's expected that the receiver doesn't get anything sometimes. Congratulations on completing Activity 1, LunaSat as a transmitter.